Today, we are going to react to, hang on. Today, we are going to react to, one of my childhood. Yeah, this video bring back memories already. So, we might react to some, 2016 nostalgia. Oh man, I miss 2016. I wish I had to go back in time already, but yep, good days. Guys, what is your favorite for 2016? Yeah, I like the old YouTube. And I don't know. Alright guys, so there's a channel I used to watch used to be called Torchy Surprises, and now G-Man. I mean, this person had not uploaded videos years ago. Yeah, I remember her content. And she had a lot of videos. And she just created her channel since May 24th, 2014. Well, it's been like 12 years ago. And she hadn't been uploading videos since 6 years ago, and her channel's still here. Yeah, I'm worried about it. It's okay, the channel's still here, it's not going nowhere. And I'm scared. What happens? Yeah, this channel name, Torchy Surprises, and I forget what that video. I don't know, it's been years ago. I used to watch, but yeah, she haven't uploaded 6 years ago, but I don't know why. Well, she used to upload videos, and then she stopped posting videos. Yeah, that's sad. So guys, I know what toy channel you used to watch. Yeah, I used to watch toy channels when I was a kid. And now I get older, but I'm too old for watching toy videos, not really. I mean, you don't have to be too old until you get older. Yeah, but my end is still alive. Alright guys, so let's watch. Aww, her voice is cute. Oh, awesome toy surprises. Oh yeah, I remember that. And this video might be born in 2016 on the OU. Oh yeah, I remember PJ Masks. I used to watch PJ Junior. So, you guys watch PJ Masks? Yeah, I know PJ Masks, but unfortunately the show get cancelled. Or it's been discontinued, I don't know. It might be get cancelled or discontinued. Oh. Night Ninja. Okay. Whoa. Jelly beans? Oh, Paw Patrol mashup? Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm on my Paw Patrol too. I mean, the jelly beans looks good, but I used to eat jelly beans, but not anymore. Oh, Marshall.
Marshall is the fire and medic member of the Paw Patrol.
Squish, squish. Guys, look, she had gloves. I don't know. Why do you have gloves? I don't know. To get her hands safe? I don't know.
Next we have Romeo.
There's
And
Romeo.
yellow tin.
Yeah, Evil Baron and PJMass. By the way, my nephew used to watch PJMass since he was a baby.
We got a Disney Funko Mystery Mini.
Whoa, cool.
Yay, we got Princess Belle.
Belle?
And
From
her dress
Beauty
is
and the
also
Beast.
yellow.
Yeah, that's one of my childhood.
Next we have Owlette.
Owlette?
And her tin is purple.
Yeah. Whoa.
Ooh, lots of purple jelly beans.
Purple jelly beans.
We got a Toy Story flashback.
Toy Story. Wayback. Oh, alien. Ooh. Ooh. Hey, Maya. Wow, what's that? Play-Doh? Oh. Mine gone? Oh. I remember mine gone. It's a spin-off to Lion King.
We got Battle Coyote.
Ooh, it's Kion.
Next we have Greg's tin. And his tin is dark
Oh.
blue. It's a Dr. Stuffing fly bag.
That meant Stuffins? Oh yeah, I used to watch it. Yep, one of my childhood memories. I mean, I used to watch Stuffins on Disney Juno. Yeah, the old Disney Juno I used to watch. Not the new one. Yeah, it's not one of my teams. Jacko. Oh, Cheryl Cowie Wild West. Sorry about the ad, because I might get copyrighted. Yeah, I remember Cheryl Cowie Wild West. I used to watch. Yep, one of Disney Junior shows. So, you guys remember that, right? Yeah. It's been 12 years ago.
Next we have Connor. And his tin is dark green.
Oh, sorry guys, that was a little bit glitch. Alright, Connor? Oh. I know, but in the night, he played Catboy Connor. Huh. Whoa, Play-Doh too? Wow, that's a lot of Play-Doh.
We got a Power Rangers fly bag.
Power Rangers? Oh.
Wow, we got Bogart.
Oh.
Let's touch his weapon. This figure is really nice and detailed. There he is on the collector's card. The last one is Catboy.
Oh,
And his tin
Catboy.
is light green.
Yeah, he's my favorite.
This tin was full of green Skittles. And
Skittles?
we got a Thomas
Mm.
and Friends Minis fly bag.
Thomas and Friends Minis. Yeah, one of my childhood.
It's Emily.
Emily. Choo Choo. Yeah, Catboy used to be my favorite. PJMass.
enjoyed the video. Give us a like and share with all of your friends. Thanks for watching.
Oh,
Zuma, Rocky,
looks like Paw Patrol.
Rubble, Ryder, Sky, Chase, and Marshall. Welcome back, friends, to Awesome Toy Surprise. The members of the Paw Patrol follow these really fun
Wow,
stories
stop
with
motion. That's
surprises.
cool.
And they're here to help us learn our colors. Give us a thumbs up and click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. First, we have Rocky.
Rocky.
And his skin is orange.
Oh yeah, but I don't remember this video. For 10 years? Nope.
It's a Disney Funko Mystery Mini.
Oh, Disney. What are we getting? Oh, Rapunzel. Oh, no.
It's Princess Anna.
Princess Anna.
Next, we have Zuma.
Oh, Sima.
And his skin is light green. His tin was full of green Skittles.
Green
And we got a
Skittles.
So Soon mystery snack pack.
Oh, I don't know this.
Let's put the pieces together and see which one we got. We got Marie, and she comes with a cute little bag.
Yeah, but
Let's
sadly,
put it
it's
inside
been
of her bag.
discontinued. It's okay, I have good memories in my mind.
She looks really adorable.
And I forget what toy it is. Yeah, it's funny on YouTube.
Next, we have Ruffles. His tin is dark green.
Rubble on the double. Yep, I was a Paw Patrol fan. Right before Sonic.
It's a Power Rangers blind bag.
Oh, now Power Rangers.
We got the Green Ranger.
Oh, Green
She
Ranger.
comes with 3 weapons. In battle. Next, we have Everest.
Oh,
Her
Everest.
tin is pink. It's the Ninja Turtles blind bag.
Oh, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Interesting. Yeah, I had watched it years ago, but
Let's put these pieces together and see which one we got. It's Michelangelo.
oh,
He's the turtle with the orange bandana. Next, we have Sky.
Sky.
And her tin is purple. Purple jelly bean. And we got our Lola's Pet Shop Super Squishy Fashion.
Laura's Pet Shop. Oh yeah, I remember that. On Discovery Family. Yeah, I'm not always a fan, but I used to collect though, but the Laura's Pet Shop toys, yeah. Squish squish.
Let's take a look at Ryder.
Ryder.
His tin is dark blue.
Oh, Toy Story.
It's a Toy Story blind bag.
Guys, I prefer the show I used to watch. Mickey Mouse Craft
We got
House,
Rex the dinosaur.
PJ Masks, Cheryl Carey West, Puppet Dog Pals,
Next, we have Marshall.
Marshall.
His tin is light blue. It's a season 4 Shopkins blind bag.
Shopkins. Oh. I remember have Willows, but
Shopkins.
those are Shopkins.
First, we have Jiggly Jelly.
Oh. And Sophia and the Force? Yep, I watch it on Disney Plus.
Our second Shopkin is Egg Chew.
Yep, it's a good old show on the old Disney Junior. It's Chase.
And his skin is yellow.
Yep, he's my favorite.
It's the Thomas and Friends mini slide.
Thomas and Friends.
It's Edward.
Oh. Well, he looked like Thomas to me.
We hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a like and share with all of your friends. Thanks for watching. Oolie. Mommy Dig.
Oh.
Geo. Miles. Jake. Una. Nemo. And Ryder. Welcome back, friends, to Awesome Toy Surprises. Today we have these fun tins full of toys and surprises. Do you have a favorite tin? Let us know in the comment section below. Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
Wow.
First we have Una from the...
Oh, Bubble Guppies. Yeah, but I used to watch Bubble Guppies, but unfortunately, I don't like it. Yeah, it's not good for my mind.
And her tin is green. It's Sparky, Sheriff Callie's horse.
Oh, Sparky. From Chef Curry Wild West. Looks like a Nick Jr. Disney Jr. crossover.
Next we have Jake from Jake and the Netherland Pirates.
Jake and the Lumberland Pirates. Yeah, it's one of my childhood shows.
We got Superman.
Superman?
Next we have Ryder. He's the leader of the Paw Patrol. And
Alright.
his skin is yellow.
Yes, Rival Paw Patrol. It was like, Nick Jr. or Disney Jr. I don't know. I might say Nick Jr.
Ooh, we got the Minion photographer.
Actually Disney Jr.
He seems really excited to take our picture.
Minions.
Say cheese. That was so much fun. Next we have Nemo from Finding Nemo. And his skin is purple.
Oh, Finding Nemo. Oh, that's a movie, not a show.
His skin was full of purple jelly beans. And we got Chili the Snowman from Doc McStuffins.
Yep, Snowman for Doc
Chili is a
McStuffins.
stuffed snowman who thinks he's a real snowman. Next we have Mommy Pig from Peppa Pig. And
And,
her tin is dark blue.
yeah, Peppa Pig.
It's My Little Pony's Applejack.
My Little Pony, oh.
And she has a cute
Yeah,
little
but I don't
top
like
around
My
her
Little Pony,
neck.
but
Next we have Oolie from the Lion Guard. And her tin is green.
yeah, Lion Guard. Oh man, I miss the Lion Guard. Imagine to make a reboot of the Lion Guard. I'm not sure, but
Ooh, that's Slinky Dog from Toy Story.
ooh, Sneak Peek with Toy
He's
Story.
a wind-up toy that can walk.
Yeah, but I haven't seen
Let's
Toy Story
give it a
5.
try.
Nope. Not yet. Right now, I am not going to be able to see it.
Cool, let's try that again. Next we have Miles from Tomorrowland. And his skin
Yeah, I used to watch Miles for Tomorrow. Lightning McQueen.
It's because Lightning McQueen.
Oh, T. Umizumi. I think I watched it. I don't know. Yeah, I do. I have watched the show since I was younger. Yeah, it's education now. Yeah, I get too old for educational shows, but yeah, it's for kids, that way. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. Yep, good memories. Let me know. Should I do another of the should I do more nostalgia toy videos or not? To reaction. Well, I can react to Busy Toy Show. Might be getting copyright, I don't know, it's up to you. Or to react to Toy Genie Surprises. Alright guys, so next Wednesday, I might react to the episode of the Moon Woke Up with my Louis PNG. And Friday, I might react to Sonic Flush. Alright guys, so stay tuned for Friday for Sonic Flush reaction. And Saturday, I'm streaming Papa's Louie on my game channel on Saturday. Alright guys, so I might call out here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys Friday. This is Logan signing out. Stay safe.